channel. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and hit the notifications. And today we're going to be making paper slime. Okay, so this is a paper slime that I just made, so we're going to be making a new one. And yeah, so the first ingredients we are going to be making, what you need is a bowl, mixing tool, toilet paper. I already got it ready for that. And then you're going to add some gel. Okay, let's add some gel. Okay. Ow, pinch myself. Okay, after adding some gel, you're going to be adding some water. So I'm going to open my water. Oh, pretty heavy. Closed it pretty well. We're going to be adding it until it fills the whole toilet paper. I think I put a little too much, but it's okay. We'll just be putting. Okay, that's. I'm going to show you guys right there. That is enough. Now you're going to be grabbing your mixing tool. I got a pencil, and you're going to be mixing it really well. Then you're going to put your hands in there. So your hands might get dirty, but it's okay. You're going to be ripping up the paper and mixing the gel with it. I know it might feel kind of gross, but it actually, after a while, actually feels good. So you're going to be squeezing it and make sure. It feels good. It kind of feels like mud, but to me it feels good. So, okay.
El ganador de las competencias nacionales es
I'm going to be squishing the paper.
el ganador de las competencias.
You might need a little bit more water if it's still not perfect. I need some more water, so I think I needed that. But let's squeeze it. Yes, I did have it. Okay? Okay.
Bueno, sí, en realidad sí lo puedo creer. Estos chicos son muy talentosos. Se ponen dedicación a cada paso de baile que dan, son unos genios.
I still need some more water.
Quiero agradecerles
So,
a una persona
right
que
back.
por fin se decidió a participar y que gracias a su incorporación.
Okay, guys, I'm back. And I add some more water. It has to be a little wet and squishy. Really wet. Because it has to
Hicimos todo y más.
So,
No me gusta verte así y no sé cómo ayudarte.
Si no fuera novia Álvaro, hoy te pedí un abrazo.
Pero Juan,
okay,
siempre voy a estar
I'm going to keep adding more water because it still needs water.
Pero qué lindo ver a mis dos estrellas juntas brillando en un abrazo. ¿Cómo andas? Primero venía a felicitarlos, porque la verdad que más allá del resultado
It is a little work. You have to put some work into it because it takes a while for it. And there it is. I can't pick up the phone, so I'm just gonna pick up my phone because my hands are all messed up. But this is how it's supposed to look. Here, I'll try to pick up my phone. Oh, my camera. There it is. Oh, it's okay. So it works, right? So after that, you're going to be adding some glue, some white glue. So this is from a kit that I had. You're going to be adding some some white glue. Okay, these pants, I'm going to have to change them, but I'm going to be adding some. Okay, some white glue. Might as well just mix with your hands because they're still dirty, but that was the other fourth ingredient of this mixing, or to keep adding some until you think it's all white, no clear or anything. Just let the glue fall. Okay, we're going to mix it. It has to be like a jelly consistency.
Y donde
I'll
más
show you
tenemos que
guys.
luchar por nuestros sueños.
Let's do all of it. I know it's good.
Emocionante palabra de líder.
If you want, you can pause the video and go wash your hands. I'm gonna
No, la que
keep
nos
doing
hizo
because
perder
there's
fue
enough
vos en el momento
beans.
en que diste a mí un papel que decía que
So,
Ramiro era su
it
papá.
has to be
Tenés razón.
this
Mira, no es la única
consistency.
culpable, sino
Tu ex novio y el ex mejor amigo de Mía que se quería vengar de ustedes dos. Entonces salió con Ivana, hizo que nosotros
Yep,
pudiéramos las
guys. So
nacionales.
it didn't fall. I thought it did.
Si Ivana se fue del colegio fue por tu culpa, Lupi. Por todos los problemas que le causaste con Mercedes, porque siempre pasas por encima de los demás.
Y si Gaspar estaba tan enojado como para hacer eso, es por lo que hiciste con los papeles de la beca.
Si no hubiese sido por Sofía, vos no se les hubiese devuelto nunca.
Y eso, Lupe.
Now, guess what?
Bueno, basta, chicos.
I know you guys, some of you guys don't have this at
Es momento
home,
de estar
but
todos juntos. Así que vamos,
we're
go.
going to edit.
Vamos, chicos.
It is baking soda. So you add a little bit, not so much, like 2 taps of that. And mix it in. It has to look like now like a little liquidy. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some slime activator. A lot of it, because you're going to need a lot.
Bien, el mensaje viene corriendo.
And you might also need to put some more glue.
Simplemente porque la última vez no pudimos hablar.
Bueno, ahora vamos a poder hablar siempre. Por todas las veces que no estuve. Y por no haber estado a tu lado cuando tu mamá murió.
And then it's going to start forming.
¿Me vas a contar todo lo que pasó?
Te voy a contar todo lo que sé. No quiero ni pensar por todo lo que habrás pasado. Fue toda una gran injusticia, ¿sabes?
See, it's starting to
No
form.
van a alcanzar los años para devolverte cada segundo que no estuve a tu lado.
Sí que van a alcanzar. Lo importante es que ahora estás enfrente mío. Y llegaste. Después de tanto tiempo, llegaste. ¿Te puedo decir solamente una cosa?
Todo lo que quieras.
Okay, guys.
Papá,
And do not add so much baking soda because if you do, it's going to turn really liquidy and then you're going to have to add more glue and it's going to be a big mess. So this is what I turned out because I didn't put that much in there. And this is what I turned out because for now, okay guys, so I'm going to pause you, I'm going to keep mixing. So keep mixing until you get the perfect consistency and I'll talk to you guys right now, okay? Okay guys, I'm back and I switched bowls with it. I made it the same color as the other one because I really wanted to, but all you could do to make the color is either use paint or you could just open one of your markers, put some ink or some dye. That's what I turned out. I still have some slimy hands. And this is what it turned out. And this is seriously, do not put so much water and do not put so much baking soda because if not, it does not turn out slime. It turns only a little bit of slime because you need more glue and ran out of glue. So, see you guys in my next video.